So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recover the closed tabs on your Safari browser on your iPhone. So in order to do it, first of all, open the settings of your iPhone and make sure the shake to undo is enabled. Simply in the search bar search for shake right there and click on this option and make sure that this option is enabled in your iPhone. Now once it is enabled, let me quickly open the browser, and here you'll see multiple tabs are open for me. Now for example, if I have closed multiple apps together, let's say I have closed these many apps. Now in order to get that back, I just simply need to shake my iPhone, and once I do that, I'm gonna see the option of undo the closed apps. Because I'm recording the screen, I'm still not able to see that option. But in your case, if you shake your shake your iPhone properly, you'll get the option of undo the closed tabs, and you'll get all the closed tabs back to you again. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.